Have you ever caught yourself thinking that you just can't stop the flow of thoughts? Today, I will explain why we overthink so much and, most importantly, how to stop. You lie there, seemingly tired, but your brain won't shut up. What if? Why didn't I say anything? What if it doesn't work out? This is overthinking. It's not weakness or laziness. It's your brain trying to protect you. It seeks control and answers to calm you down. But instead of finding a solution, it gets stuck, running the same thoughts over and over again. Imagine your brain as a computer with 50 tabs open. Each one demands attention, and in the end, you burn out. Analysis seems like action, but it's just an illusion of control. We drown in thoughts instead of taking action. What to do? Notice when you get stuck in your thoughts. Call it out. Right now, I'm thinking too much. Switch to your body. Take a deep breath. Feel the floor beneath your feet. This brings you back to reality. And then, just act. Even a small step is stronger than 1,000 thoughts. The brain is not the enemy. It's just afraid. But the more we try to control everything, the less we live in the here and now. Not everything requires an answer. Just be. Don't overthink. Just breathe.